Okay, so today has been a good day. Had a delivery from Mr. Postman. What have we got in here? Ooh. A brake caliper, so I can get the brake finished. Some brake shoes, brake pads, sorry, and a load of clips. So good. Can crack on, get the brakes finished. With a GTD, and today we're going to replace the brake caliper. Because this one, as you may remember from the bleeding video, is unbleedable. We can't bleed it. So this one has a nice bleed nut on it. Yay! Hopefully we can turn that one. So yeah, we're going to replace the caliper and then give the brakes another bleed. So let's do it. Okay, so from the back of the caliper, we need to basically undo these nuts. Are we nuts?
Slide nuts.
These slide nuts here. Here.
Bolts, slide bolts.
And here.
Slide bolts. And
we do that with one of these, with a H6 socket spline. Don't know how far we're going to do him.
Take it right out.
We don't need to undo the brake line first. Or we're just going to do, we'll just put it straight on the other one, won't we? We need a brake hose or anything.
Well, just something to catch the fluid with. What have we got? Hang on. Alright, leave it. It's loose now. You don't do it after.
Right.
We'll do that now.
A bit tight.
Should have put some WD on them. What cover all this, do we? Anything over over this window. It's really nice, isn't it?
Well,
that should come off.
These still pretty tight.
These should come off now.
This bottom one's not undoing. It's turning, but it doesn't seem to be coming backwards. It's turning.
It should come off. The bottom one out.
Not all the way, it's taking ages.
That's loose. Bloody hell.
We've not got a screw in it.
We've got some WD-40 on that one, just lift it up. That's not right.
Where's hammer? Let's get hammer. Just tap it.
I haven't got one.
Give a screwdriver.
If you can't, what are you pressing? It looks like it's light. There you go. That's easy to get it.
There we go.
What do you do? Force that in?
Yeah, we don't need to do it.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah. Right, undo, untake the.
Well, that's okay, that.
Take the hose off.
Oh yeah.
Oh, should we just hang it up somewhere for the moment?
No, we'll put a new one on that way.
Well, we don't want the weight of this hanging down, do we? So we'll change the pads first.
Hold it there.
Hang about. Use this thing here.
Well, you can do. What, got this? Oh, all right. In here.
What are you hooking it on?
Oh yeah. There you go. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that on your camera.
Got it as well. As you can see, it's a bit loose. So we've got a screw down here, which will hopefully tighten up a bit. There we go, that's got it.
Right, so stick your shoe on it and then we'll put the slider in after. It won't stay on, Scott.
Is that the way he goes there?
Yeah. Put your shoes on.
Which size, which here?
Well, that's what I'm saying. I have to just check them against the other ones. They should be the same. But who knows?
Oh, they're both back ones. There we go, so we've got...
Are you sure now?
One there.
I'm going to check.
They're all the same. Yeah, look, there you go.
Right. I get a slider in now. Put copper grease on it, yeah.
That way, yeah?
I think it drops in behind your shoe here. No, fine. Drops in there. No, up down here. Along here.
Like that?
Yeah.
You just said it goes flat.
On bottom one it does. Put the other one in. Put the other shoe in. Right, slide this in there.
It's not going in.
It's not going in. Could go further in than that. Knock it in. Ooh. Right. That's got to go that way. Or the other way, with that thing at the top, I think. I'm not sure now where it goes. Where's your book? To show you that lug. Look it back towards me. No, not. Oh, you got it backwards. In. Not your brake shoe back towards me. Why is it going in? That bottom, right.
Right, let's start the whole bloody thing again, hang on. Bottom slider.
I can see it. What are you doing here? Songs in my bloody eyes. Right. Right. All that one. I'll get another brake shoe in.
Hammer.
Is that the gap there? I can't see.
You're on there, yeah. There's hammer. I'll hold it. No. Knock it up. Nope, it's pushing the pin out. Why don't you go behind the car so you can see what you're doing? Behind the wheel.
Right, fine. Right.
Go around there so you can see what you're doing.
What's happening there? What are you doing?
Trying to get it up.
What for?
So I can get it back onto it. It's not on the rail. There we go. It's on now.
That can't be right. That can't be right.
Doesn't look right, does it?
No, hang on. That's wrong. That's not good like that.
That's what it's got in the book.
No, that's not good. That's underneath here.
That's what I thought.
It goes that way. That pin's sticking out.
Knock it down.
Sake!
It's not straight now.
Not feeding going in. Right. Right. Hold everything together.
Watch my hand, bloody hell.
It's on, but how's it going to slide on? It's really tight to me. That's just slide on, that is gonna. Oh, it's alright. Let's go down a bit more, yeah.
Is a small screwdriver? Right, a new caliper. Some copper grease on the outside, yeah.
Just a minute. Yeah, that's right. 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 I think that bit of metal off come out. I think your brakes are going to stick.
Oh, what's going on there? Just a twist.
You come undone?
Right.
You might have to lift it up a bit or down if you want to. Take a water.
Yeah. Right, now they're on. I'm just going to tighten up that brake line. It's still leaking a bit. It's okay being twisted around like that. Or not. Yeah.
That's upside down actually. You can put them up there around that.
Do you mean?
That? That's a bit top, that's a bit bottom.
Oh.
You can have it from here.
So you can tighten it up anymore from around here, not like this.
Oh,
You're right. I can't do it any tighter.
no, not very tight than that.
That's okay, is it?
That should be. Yeah, yeah.
Is your one like that?
You know, when your shoes are open, because you shoot, yeah.
So it'll tighten up when they press the foot on the brake?
Yeah.
Should I give it a try? Okay, well I'll go and put my foot on the brake.
Yeah.
It's still loose, give it a wiggle.
Tight now.
So we've got a sneaky trick to try and bleed any air out of the master cylinder. So what we need is a big long bit of hose going from the front near side or front left caliper. And we're going to put this into the reservoir on the master cylinder. And take a bit of bloody tape off actually, I might get stuck in there. And then as we pump over a course of 5 or 10 minutes, we should see fluid come through and any air that's in the system will come through and it will bubble away. It'll be removed as air bubbles in the cylinder. What?
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. Fingers crossed. You never know with these things.
Right. Okay. Well, got your brake fluid, Andy?
No, it's in the shed. We'll get it. There's no air in that.
No air coming out of here.
What?
No air coming out of there. It's out, it's in here though.
Oh yeah. Leave your hand, Dad.
You're not going right down with your peg wire. See air in it here. Hang on. Okay.
What are you doing there?
Just in case it's leaking out, I don't like.
It's feeling a bit more harder then. No.
It's still coming through. Just a minute. Keep it down. Have you got it down?
Yes.
Just pump it a little bit more. It's not coming out. Right, one.
Keep pumping.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Anything happening in the master cylinder?
No. Can you put the cap back on? Yeah.
Just get this back in there, hang on. Right. Got plenty of fluid in there.
Yeah. Okay, brakes are on. New pads on the other side. We just bled the passenger side, and that's the colour of the brake fluid that came out. Woo. The only question we've got is the wheel seems to be pretty.
No, the cylinder won't go right in.
The cylinder wouldn't go in. Well, we've done the caliper, changed the pads, bled the brakes, and the brakes still feel really soft. So I guess we're just going to have to bleed them all again. Because we changed the shoes on the back and the cylinders on the back as well. There must just be air in it somewhere. What a fucking nightmare. We'll get there.